First of four numbers tonight recorded in session for this programme by the David Tattersall Group. And this first one is Fresh Evening Rain.
Coming out of the rain, I'll pour you a beer. Coming out of the rain, I will whisper in your ear how I've missed you, my friend. Coming out of the rain again. Fresh evening rain, fall on my door. I don't want to be alone. I don't want to be alone anymore. Rustle of the leaves in the grass, like that night that I spent playing pool with you. Behind my eyes the sea is shining, but I'm trying to look far into the sun. Fresh evening rain, fall on my door. I don't want to be alone. I don't want to be alone anymore. Coming out of the rain, I'll roll you a joint. Coming out of the rain, I'll get straight to the point. How I've missed you, my friend. Coming out of the rain again.
Journeys in Sound with Namone.
I'm curious about the links between our life experiences and our love of music.